As you arrive, you're taken on a winding journey up the hill. The building starts to reveal itself, first in some of the white gables with the steel monument surround. And then as you push further into the site, it really opens up into a collection of steel and brick structures around a central landscaped courtyard. It has a fantastic waterfall down to the dam that's been integrated into the sight lines from the entry, and there's a series of fantastic interventions right the way around the house that really help it connect with the outdoors. Architecture is about enhancing the environment that the architecture belongs to. So for us, the Australian vernacular is really important as a springboard for something for us to respond to. The brief was to have a dual key residence, which has essentially two connected houses that can work independently or work together as one huge residence. The look and feel is very much a relaxed, contemporary country vibe, which is robust. It's kind of like a farmhouse, really. So the material palette of the recycled red bricks, the corrugated steel and the gable roof forms really create an Australian feel to this home. As you proceed through that front door, you're presented with a corridor that leads through to a large window on the other side. So all of our corridors are really about framing a part of the view at the termination of that corridor. So it's really about being reminded again and again about the landscape that this house belongs to. On the ground floor, we have the living spaces. The house has been specifically zoned to keep public spaces and private spaces apart, and also thinking about the flow of visitors and how you would entertain in the home to make sure that it really provides a great opportunity to entertain. With a site like this with amazing views, it was important for us to frame the views as much as possible in smart, logical ways that could really enhance that relationship with the outside rather than just a sheet of glass. Along the northern face of the home is this fantastic living space that opens up out onto the natural landscape behind me. And it's really well suited for the sort of indoor-outdoor living and entertaining that contemporary Australian homes are all about. The outdoor area consists of an outdoor kitchen, we've got a pizza oven, we've got a dining space, as well as the outdoor lounge and a pool as well. It's a fabulous result. And design is all about the thinking and the planning before the building, and seeing all of that come together to create these spaces is the most rewarding thing.